Deep breathing, deep breath out. ज्ञानिनामपि चेतांसि देवी भगवती सा बलादाकृष्य मोहाय महामाया प्रयच्छति दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेष जन्तोः स्वस्थैः स्मृतिमतिमतीव शुभां ददासि दारिद्र्यदुःखभयहारिणिका त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरुणाय सदा प्रचित्ता सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते शरणागतदीनार्थ परित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्यार्तिहरे देवी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्ति समन्विते भयभ्यस्त्राहिनो देवी दुर्गे देवी नमोऽस्तुते रोगान् शेषान् अपहंस तुष्टा रुष्टा तु कामान् सकलान् भीष्टा त्वामाश्रितानां न विपिन्नराणां त्वामाश्रितायां श्रयतां प्रयान्ति सर्वाबाधा प्रशमनं त्रैलोकस्याखिलेश्वरी एवमेव त्वया कार्यम् अस्मद्वैरिविनाशनम् ॐ नवदुर्गा प्रथमं शैलपुत्री च द्वितीयं ब्रह्मचारिणी तृतीयं चन्द्रघण्टेति कूष्माण्डेति चतुर्थकं पञ्चमं स्कन्दमातेति षष्ठं कात्यायनीति च सप्तमं कालरात्रीति महागौरीति चाष्टमं नवमं सिद्धिदात्री च नवदुर्गा प्रकीर्तिताः उक्त्यातीतानि नामानि ब्राह्मणैव महात्मना ॐ अथ अर्गलास्तोत्रम् ॐ जयन्ति मङ्गला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोऽस्तुते जय त्वं देवी चामुण्डे जय भूतार्तिहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमोऽस्तुते मधुकैटभ विविधात्र वरदे नमः। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि महिषासुरनिर्नाशि भक्तानां सुखदे नमः। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि रक्तबीजवधे देवी चण्डमुण्डविनाशिनि रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि शुम्भस्यैव निशुम्भस्य धूम्राक्षस्य च मर्दिनि रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि वन्दिताग्नियुगे देवी सर्वसौभाग्यदायिनि रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि अचिन्त्यरूपचरिते सर्वशत्रुविनाशिनि रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि न तेभ्य सर्वदा भक्त्यै चण्डिके दुरितापहे रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि स्तुवद्भ्यो भक्तिपूर्वं त्वां चण्डिके व्याधिनाशिनि रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि चण्डिके सततं ये त्वामर्चयन्तीह भक्तितः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि देहि सौभाग्यमारोग्यं देहि मे परमं सुखं रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि विधेहि द्विषतानाशं विधेहि बलमुच्चकैः रूपं देहि यशो देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि विधेहि देवि कल्याणं विधेहि परमां श्रियम् रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि सुरासुरशिरोरत्न निघृष्टचरणेऽम्बिके रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि प्रचण्डदैत्यदर्पघ्ने चण्डिके प्रणताय मे रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि चतुर्भुजे चतुर्वक्त्र संस्तुते परमेश्वरी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि कृष्णेन संस्तुते देवी शश्वद्भक्त्या सदाम्बिके रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि हिमाचल सुतानाथ संस्तुते परमेश्वरी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि इन्द्राणि पति सद्भाव पूजिते परमेश्वरी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि देवी प्रचण्ड दोर्दण्ड दैत्यदर्पविनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि देवी भक्तजनोद्याम दत्तात्रेयवरदायिनी चिदानन्दोदयेऽम्बिके रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि विशो जहि पत्नीं मनोरमां देहि मनोवृत्तानुसारिणीं तारिणीं दुर्गसंसार सागरस्य कुलोद्भावा इदं स्तोत्रं पठित्वा तु महास्तोत्रं पठेन्नरः स तु सप्तशती संख्यावरप्राप्नोति सम्पदाम्। ॐ ॐ अथ देवी सूक्तम्। नमो देव्यै महादेव्यै शिवायै सततं नमः। नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियता प्रणता स्मर्तां रौद्रायै नमो नित्यायै गौर्यै धात्र्यै नमो नमः। ज्योत्स्नायै चेन्दुरूपिण्यै सुखायै सततं नमः। कल्याण्यै प्रणतां वृद्ध्यै सिद्ध्यै कुर्मो नमो नमः। नैरत्यै भूभृतां लक्ष्म्यै शर्वाण्यै ते नमो नमः। दुर्गायै दुर्गपारायै सारायै सर्वकारिण्ये ख्यात्यै तथैव कृष्णायै धूम्रायै सततं नमः। अतिसौम्यातिरौद्रायै नतास्यै नमो नमः। नमो जगत्प्रतिष्ठायै देव्यै कृत्यै नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमायेति शब्दिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु चैतन्येत्यभिधीतये नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु निद्रारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु क्षुधारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु छायारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तृष्णारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु क्षान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु जातिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लज्जारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु वृत्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु स्मृतिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तुष्टिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु भ्रान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु भ्रान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः इन्द्राणी इन्द्रायाणामधिष्ठात्री भूतानां चाखिलेषु या भूतेषु सततं तस्यै व्याप्तिदेव्यै नमो नमः चिन्तिरूपेण या कृत्स्नमेतत्रिव्याप्य स्थिता जगत् नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः स्तुतासुरैः पूर्वमभीष्टसंश्रया तथा सुरेन्द्रदेन दिनेषु सेविता करोतु सा नः करोतु सा नः शुभहेतुरीश्वरी शुभानि भद्राणि भिहन्तु चापदा या साम्प्रतं चोद्धतैततापितैः रस्माभिरीशा च सुरैर्नमस्यैते या च स्मृता तत्क्षणमेव हन्ति न सर्वापदो भक्तिविनम्रमूर्तिभिः ॐ दुर्गा द्वात्रिंशन्नमाला दुर्गा दुर्गार्तिशमिनी दुर्गा पत्विनिवारिणि दुर्गमच्छेदिनी दुर्गसाधिनी दुर्गनाशिनी दुर्गतोद्धारिणि दुर्गनिहन्त्रि दुर्गमापहा दुर्गमज्ञानदा दुर्गदैत्यलोकदवानन दुर्गमा दुर्गमालोका दुर्गमात्मस्वरूपिणि दुर्गमार्गप्रदा दुर्गमविद्या दुर्गमाश्रिता दुर्गमज्ञानसंस्थाना दुर्गमध्यानभासिनी दुर्गमोह दुर्गमगा दुर्गमार्थस्वरूपिणि दुर्गमासुरसंहन्त्रि दुर्गमायुधधारिणि दुर्गमाङ्गी दुर्गमता दुर्गम्या दुर्गमेश्वरी दुर्गभीमा दुर्गभामा दुर्गभा दुर्गदारिणि दुर्गा दुर्गातिशमिनी दुर्गा पद्मिनिवारिणि दुर्गमच्छेदिनि दुर्गसाधिनि दुर्गनाशिनि दुर्गतोद्धारिणि दुर्गनिहन्त्रि दुर्गमापहा दुर्गमज्ञानदा दुर्गदैत्यलोकदवानन दुर्गमा दुर्गमालोका दुर्गमात्मस्वरूपिणि दुर्गमार्गप्रदा दुर्गमविद्या दुर्गमाश्रिता दुर्गमज्ञानसंस्थाना दुर्गमध्यानभासिनि दुर्गमोहा दुर्गमगा दुर्गमार्थस्वरूपिणि दुर्गमासुरसंहन्त्रि दुर्गमायुधधारिणि दुर्गमाङ्गी दुर्गमता दुर्गम्या दुर्गमेश्वरी दुर्गभीमा दुर्गभामा दुर्गभा दुर्गदारिणि नामावलीमिमां यस्तु दुर्गाया मम मानवः पठेत् सर्वभयान्मुक्तो भविष्यति न संशय दुर्गा दुर्गार्तिशमिनी दुर्गापत्तिनिवारिणि दुर्गमच्छेदिनि दुर्गसाधिनि दुर्गनाशिनि दुर्गोद्धारिणि दुर्गनिहन्त्रि दुर्गमापः दुर्गमज्ञानद दुर्गदैत्यलोकदवान दुर्गमा दुर्गमालोका दुर्गमात्मस्वरूपिणि दुर्गमानुप्रदा दुर्गमविद्या दुर्गमाश्रिता दुर्गमज्ञानसंस्थाना दुर्गमध्यानवासिनि दुर्गमोहा दुर्गमगा दुर्गमार्थस्वरूपिणि दुर्गमासुरसंहन्त्रि दुर्गमायोधधारिणि दुर्गमाङ्गी दुर्गमता दुर्गम्या दुर्गमेश्वरि दुर्गभीमा दुर्गभामा दुर्गभा दुर्गतारिणि नामावलीमिमां यस्तु दुर्गाया मम मानवः पठेत् सर्वभयान्मुक्तो भविष्यति न संशयः। भवान्याष्टकम् न तातो न माता न बन्धुर्न दाता न पुत्रो न पुत्री न भृत्यो न भर्त्या न छाया न विद्या न वृत्तैवमैव गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी भवात्थावपारे महादुःखभीरो पपातः प्रकामी प्रलोभी प्रमत्तः कुसंसारपाश प्रबद्धः सदाहं गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी न जानामि दानं न च ध्यानयोगं न जानामि तन्त्रं न च स्तोत्रमन्त्रं न जानामि पूजां न च न्यासयोगं गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी न जानामि पुण्यं न जानामि तीर्थं न जानामि मुक्तिं दयं वा कदाचित् न जानामि भक्तिं व्रतं वापि वात गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी कुकर्मी कुसंगी कुबुद्धि कुदासः कुलाचारहीन कदाचारलीन कुदृष्टि कुवाक्य प्रबन्ध सदा गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी प्रजेशं रमेशं महेशं सुरेशं दिनेशं निशीथेश्वरं वा कदाचित् न जानामि चान्यत् सदाहं शरण्ये गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी विवादे विषादे प्रमादे प्रवासे जले चानले पर्वते शत्रुमध्ये अरण्ये शरण्ये सदा मां प्रपाहि गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी अनाथो दरिद्रो जरारोगयुक्तो महाक्षीणदीनः सदा जाड्यवक्त्रः विपत्तौ प्रविष्टः प्रणष्टः सदाहं गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी। This sutra by Adi Shankaracharya says that neither the father nor the mother, neither any relation nor friend, no one else, neither my son, daughter, neither anyone, nor a spouse, nor any, even the knowledge that I have, nor even my profession, neither any vidya, nothing is actually my refuge, but you only are my refuge. I am at your mercy. So I am your Sharana. In this ocean of worldly existence, which is endless, I am full of sorrow and always afraid of something or another. I have fallen with various desires, greed, and I am like a drunken and intoxicated person, always in the bondage of the sansara, wherein you only are my refuge, Ma. And neither do I do much charity, true meditation, true yoga. I don't even know about it. I can't even speak properly the mantras that I try to recite, know any tantra, know any actual stotra. I don't even know how to worship you. I have nothing in my hold, so Ma, you only are my refuge. I don't do any pilgrimage also actually, and I don't know any way to liberation, and the actual absorption of the knowledge and even the concentration I don't have. I don't have real devotion. One time here, one time there. So please, Ma, you only are my refuge. I have done so many bad deeds, even in thoughts, so I am doing full time, 24 hours. So I can't even have that pious mind full time. I can't perform the duties in the actual proper way, and even the eyes that I have when I see, the tongue that I have, all the indriyas that I have are not even pure because I do love doing the bad deeds also. But Ma, you only are my refuge. And I don't even know about this creation, about all those Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, and everyone. Loads of devas like Surya, like Chandra. I don't know about any other god because I don't even have that proper knowledge to comprehend. I just know one thing, Ma, and that is you. And I am fighting every time. I am quarreling. I am having despair. And even when I am at my home or any other place, I am in all those panchabhutas, that water, fire, this, that, everywhere I am always afraid only. So Ma, you protect me because I am always at your refuge only. I am completely helpless and I am always some disease, something is always affecting me. My body is also very pale, my mind is also wandering here and there. So Ma, as I am always lost in troubles and miseries, you are my refuge and you only are my refuge. And with this, we recite Shama Prarthana, wherein we say that I have done so many aparadhas. I am the one who is doing that. I am the Kuputra, but Mata, because you can never ever be Kumata. So Ma, please grant me the Kshama. अपराध सहस्राणि क्रियन्ते हर्निशं मया दासोऽयमिति मां मत्वा क्षमस्य परमेश्वरि आवाहन न जानामि न जानामि विसर्जनम् पूजा चैव न जानामि क्षम्यतां परमेश्वरि मन्त्रहीनं क्रियाहीनं भक्तिहीनं सुरेश्वरि यत् पूजितं मया देवी परिपूर्णं तदस्तु मे अपराधिशतं कृत्वा जगदम्बेति चुचतुरेत् यां गतिं समवाप्नोति न तां ब्रह्मादयः सुरा सापराधोऽस्मि शरणं प्राप्तस्त्वां जगदेम्बिके इदानीं कम्पयोऽहं यथेच्छसि तथा कुरु अज्ञानाद्विस्मृते भ्रान्त्यां ययन्यूनमधिकं कृतं तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देवी प्रसीद परमेश्वरि कामेश्वरि जगन्माता सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहे गृहाणार्चामि मां प्रीत्या प्रसीद परमेश्वरि गुह्याति गुह्यगोप्त्री त्वं गृहाणां स्मत्कृतं जपं सिद्धिर्भवतु मे देवी त्वत्प्रसादात् सुरेश्वरी ॐ ॐ ॐ मा कूष्माण्डा मुख्यमन्त्र ॐ देवी कूष्माण्डायै नमः ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं कूष्माण्डायै नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मा कूष्माण्डारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः ॐ देवी कूष्माण्डायै नमः ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं कूष्माण्डायै नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मा कूष्माण्डारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः ॐ देवी कूष्माण्डायै नमः ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं कूष्माण्डायै नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मा कूष्माण्डारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः ॐ ॐ हे माँ, आपकी पवित्र उपस्थिति में हमें शक्ति और बुद्धिमत्ता दे। गहरी श्वास अंदर और गहरी श्वास बाहर। As we proceed to do the gratitude prayers, do you want to do anything else? Let me know. And hereby I pay my gratitude to Ma Durga, to her almighty form Jagadambika, to her most beautiful form Tripura Sundari, to her most fierce form Sri Mahakali. And as she protects us, and as she nudges us to get up in the morning and to bring us to this beautiful hour of morning devotion towards her, bringing us towards the bliss. We thank all our gurus, all the mentors, all the teachers, all the Dakini Shakini, all the angels, all the Shaktiyan that have brought us to this pious moment. We don't have the Shakti on our own. So if we think that we are doing it, pardon us, Ma. We thank you. The most beautiful Karunamai form of Ma, Mother Earth. We thank Father Universe. And with this, please forgive all our sins. Thank you. I'm sorry. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Purnamad Purnamida Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Shanti Shanti Shanti. We rub our hands and we spread all over our eyes, our head, our face, and all our body. We are done.
Thank you so much, Shreya, for that beautiful chantings. And I like that one sloka that you have chanted, right? That forgive us, you are my refuge. You are my
Yes,
refuge.
yes, that is very beautiful. That's why I included it. That itself is the one that I was telling you, rachita by Sri Adi Shankaracharya. And I find it so
Mean,
like I'm a little child and she's just right there standing in front of me, and just I'm at her mercy. I don't need to think about any other thing then, because I don't know only anything. I don't have anything to hold only. So it is so liberating.
that's true. That's true. It is enlightening that. It is saying that gatistvam, 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 right? What is that gatistvam means? Like,
My gati is you only.
Okay, Gatis Tvam. My Gati is.
Gatisvam, yes. I don't have anything to aim for also. Nothing I have in the end, because people say we are doing everything to get moksha, to achieve some, even the spiritual goal that people have. No, I
Yes,
am
yes.
leaving that also. I am leaving that also. You only are my Gati, and you only decide what to do about this jeev of mine.
That's true. That is the real need for us. Like
Yes, yes.
if that
Because
is
I realize that when I am walking on this path, at times I am holding even that ahamkar of all these verses that I am chanting.
that's true. Too much of knowledge also we say like
Yes,
that.
yes,
Yeah.
that's why in the first,
Knowledge.
probably in first second paragraph, it says that all these verses also are not a my refuge. It
Yes.
says my gati is not through these verses that I am chanting. And when I actually heard it for the first time, that struck me. Okay, I'm learning, I'm reciting, I'm doing every day and thinking that yes, this will pave the path for me. But actually, in the end, when I am able to leave that also,
That's true.
therein comes my true gati.
That's true. Can you explain about that Mata of Kushmanda? So, what color to be wear for today and what offering a food item for her we can do?
Okay, okay. So, firstly, I would like to share with you that all the devis,
No, Devis.
all the Navadurgas, all the Navdurgas, they have one thing, that whatever whatever color you wear, whatever food you eat, whatever verses we chant, even like particular mantra of this Devi we are chanting, all of that we are doing for different days. We are doing for every, but in the end we have to remember that same mantra's bhava, that
Yes,
gatiswam tamekappa.
that is
Okay,
final. That is final.
that is there. Fine. Kushmanda, for today I'm telling you, it is very good coincidence that her color is yellow.
Okay.
Her color is yellow, while the day wise, even in like Vaishnava sect, I belong to Vaishnava sect by through family. Okay,
Okay.
so they do Vishnu Pasna in the Krishna form, my family. So there also, there are, for every particular day of the 7 days of the week, there are colors assigned.
Mm, mm.
In fact, you go to every temple of Sri Ram or Sri Krishna, wherein they change the dress regularly, they do the Shringara regularly of Sri Vigraha, of both the Yugal. Yugal is couple, wherein Sri Ram Sita or Sri Radha Krishna. The dress they wear is always specific to the day. So
Yes.
today is Thursday, and Thursday is also yellow.
Yellow. That's true.
Right?
Yeah.
Now, the food that she loves to have, if one is having, what to say, this food of what we call in English, kaddu,
Kaddu.
kumra, pumpkin,
Yeah. Pumpkin. Yeah.
pumpkin.
Gumadkai. Yeah. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin is the one which she, Kushmanda, actually, I tell you, Kushmanda is like anda, like
Yeah.
womb,
Big womb. Mm.
big womb. So this symbolizes that.
Yeah. Kushmanda.
And her big blessings are of health and wealth.
Great health and wealth.
Health and wealth. Like yesterday, while we were doing Ma Chandraghanta's thing, it was of blue,
Yeah. Blue.
royal blue, not light, not sky blue, not sky blue, the dark royal blue. So for her, it was like milk made sweets or milk and things like this. And she blesses with bravery.
Okay.
Okay, Brahmacharini, her color is red, while she loves to have fruits. and specifically banana.
Yeah, Brahmacharani. Second day, right? Second day we
Yes,
have
and
that.
yes, and she gives long life. Long life she gives.
Nice.
And the first one was my Shailaputri, wherein her color was white,
Mm.
and she actually simply loves ghee.
Ghee. Nice.
She
Shailaputri.
simply loves ghee.
Mm.
You use it in whatever manner, she simply loves ghee. Her blessings are healthy prosperity.
Prosperity. Nice.
Okay. So today being Kushmanda, these are her blessings. Then Ma Skand Mata would be tomorrow. Her color is green, which symbolizes the growth.
Yeah.
For her also the offerings are fruits.
Any fruits. Skandamata.
Fruits. All the fruits, every fruit is loved by her, and she blesses with the motherly love.
Yeah. Motherly. No. Motherly love.
Motherly. Then Ma Katyayani, her color is not exactly black, I can say it is more on the whiter side. What to say,
Grey.
like gray.
Grey.
Gray. Her color is gray, shining a bit, like silver grayish, that kind of. Okay, and she loves to have honey.
Honey. Okay.
Katyayani loves to have honey, and she blesses with the abundance of relationships.
That's true. Relationships. Katyayani.
Relationships wherein there are always clashes and you have to work upon it. It doesn't comes like this.
Yeah.
So when we have the kind of relationship which requires so much of struggle, her blessings give us the courage to even speak up. Usually what happens, I tell you, most of the 90% of the Indian marriages, people are just living like roommates. There are issues lingering, they don't even want to talk about it. So she gives that courage. So courage of not fighting, courage
Solving.
of even
Resolving.
talking, having that conversation, having that initiation power to to even talk about it, sit with that another person. People have so much of at times now I am seeing that they even avoid coming in front of each other. They are more like, doing this like office mates.
Yeah, that's
Whatever
true. I
work is
understand.
there for children, we have to bring this, we have to bring on Sunday, we have to go. This is the list, we have to bring this grocery. This needs to happen. There we need to go. With this relative, we need to visit. So
Limitations. Limits they'll set.
yes. So Ma Katyayani blesses to bring that harmony with courage to even talk about. Then Ma Kalaratri, her color is orange, dark orange, wherein she loves to have good. Good is jaggery.
Okay.
Okay, or even the sweets or whatever, using jaggery, whatever, she loves jaggery. And with her energy, at times we don't know what kind of forces are surrounding us, what kind of energy is surrounding us. Like little kids, we are interacting with everyone,
Yes.
we are playing with everyone. And like little kids, we are expecting also a lot of love and affection and everything from everyone.
Yes. But it
Trying.
hoping for all.
So Kalaratri blesses us from the evil unknown forces.
Protection.
She's that mother.
Yeah,
We think it is nice, but it is actually inherently not good. On the surface, we are thinking we cannot see that much. Our vision is
vision
not
is
that much.
that
So
much.
she protects from that, and what is good for us, we fear.
Yes.
We
That's true.
fear doing that.
Yes.
So she protects from that fear also,
Okay. Protection.
gives the courage to go into that good thing that we fear doing,
Great.
and protects us from that bad thing that we love going to.
That is we always love to do. Love to take that.
And then Mahagauri, her color is that kind of green. what to say, blue mixed with green, like sea green kind of color, or peacock green kind of. That is her color, Mahagauri. And she loves coconut and she blesses with spiritual upliftment.
Spiritual. Okay, Mahagauri is for spiritual.
Spiritual upliftment. Then Ma Siddhidatri, her color is pink. Pink is more on lighter note, like whitish pink, pale pink, and she loves to have til, white and black til.
Yeah, sesame seeds.
Sesame seeds. She loves to have that, and she blesses with the siddhis.
Siddhidatri. Yeah,
She Siddhidatri. She blesses with siddhis.
great.
So that is the thing. Okay.
Yesterday I got one, like I thought of 9 colors, na. So I thought of 7 colors we have, right? Vibji, or like we studied like in Vibji, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So out of them only 4 or 5 we are using. Like violet and indigo, I think so not has been used.
Yeah.
And white and black, that is, if 7 plus 2, white and black will be added. Like that, I was thinking that why it was not included violet and indigo. Like other colors we are using for Navadurgas. And yeah, if you see, there are three mothers in ours. Like even in Chandi Homam, we do Mahakali, Mahasaraswati, Mahadurga. Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati, 3 things. Like even if you take, like you said, like Adi Shankaracharya, that you have chanted today. For Sri Vaishnava, it is Sri Ramanujacharya. And for Vayu, like other people, the Madhvacharya, Sri Madhvacharya. For 3 matas,
Yes.
they have, we have 3 acharyas. One is Adi Shankaracharya, one is Ramanujacharya, one is Madhvacharya. So we have all people as three people. I was thinking that 7 colors might be coming from Vipchia, and yeah, I was thinking Kalaratri as a black color, like fearful, right? So I thought of, but you have said that it is orange and jaggery. And I see the resonance of the same color and food. If you say Shailaputri, mountain color. Mountain means white, like Kailasa. So she'll have the white, means ghee, that you have said, ghee. And Kushmanda, you said like it's a big womb. The big womb resonates that what we call pumpkin. So I thought of resonating the mother with the food. That is means here the essence is, while eating that food also, we need to feel that we are serving that mother, or we are
Yes.
refusing to that mother.
Yes.
So that is the essence. Thank you so much. If you want to
Thank
share
you.
anything, you can do, or else we can do that Asatoma Sadgama.
Yes, we will do that.
Yeah. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrutyorma amrutam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta
Sukhino bhavantu.
Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Jai Mata.
Jai Ma.